Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of August 8th, 2025. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
So with that being said, let's get started.
First I want to highlight a bundle from Riley Blake. This is a batik bundle. It is called Twirl and Swirl. We actually have it behind us. This one has pinks and purples. It is, like I said, is a fat quarter bundle. It consists of 9 fat quarters in it. We do have it on sale. It is originally at $33.96, but we have it on sale for $21.96. With the name of swirls. You can sort of expect to see swirls on there, and it's all going to be in color schemes of purple and pink. So if you're interested in this bundle, you can spin into the spotlight with this deal on the Twirl and Swirl bundles.
We've got a Christmas/holiday collection here called Emmitt Ivy from Moda. This is featuring Just a Little Box. Just a quick note, the Just a Little Box is due to arrive in late September as per Moda. Patterns, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, the Tree Farm quilt kits, the Twinkle boxed quilt kits, as well as the assorted yardage. This collection features patterns such as letters to Santa, snowmen, spruce trees, ornaments, holly, stripes, and checks and plaids, in colors of red, green, blue, cream, and black. So why don't you bring warmth and cheer to your quilts with Emmitt and Ivy.
Next, I want to highlight a group from Riley Blake called Winter Magic. With this, we have the fat quarter bundles, the 5-inch stackers, the Warm Hugs panel quilt kits, 24-inch panels, also the full yard collection. As you can expect, it's very wintry kind of theme group, very like kind of cold, so you can expect different patterns such as Arctic animals with penguins, reindeers, and polar bears, florals, trees, snowflakes, swirls, winter words, and sweater stripes, all in a very blue scheme of navy, blue, aqua, tan, and white. So if you're wanting any like kind of cold type things for your next project, you can go create a winter wonderland with winter swirl. Wait, what's it? Winter magic.
Where did squirrel come from?
Swirls from the...
Oh, from the bundle.
Yeah.
I was shocked when you said squirrel. I was like, where did that come from?
Create a winter wonderland with winter magic.
We had 2 winter/holiday collections, so now we have a Halloween collection. This is called Fright This Way! Batiks from Riley Blake. This is featuring in-flight quilt kits, 24-inch panels, and the assorted yardage with patterns of monsters, phrases, fangs, webs, bubbles, diamonds, and stripes in colors of orange, purple, green, and black. So make sure to let your skin crawl with Fright This Way Batiks.
Next up, we have Classic Christmas from Riley Blake. With this, we have the fat quarter bundles, we have Tree Farm panel quilt kits, we have the Christmas card patch quilt kits, and we have the Tannenbaum box quilt kits. We have 24-inch panels and also the full collection of yardage that goes along with that. Very Christmas themed, so patterns such as Santa Claus, collages, Christmas trees, pines, sheet music, plaid, gift tags, ornaments, stripes, and more. Plenty more. In your typical Christmas color schemes of red and green, as well as yellow, blue, cream, and black. If you're wanting any of these cool looking Christmas prints, you can go celebrate the holidays in the most festive ways with Classic Christmas.
Another spooky collection here. We have Midnight Hauntings from Wilmington. This is featuring the Conundrum quilt kits, the end-to-end table runner kits, the tote bag kits, pillowcase kits, 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, and the full collection of yardage. We have patterns of a repeating stripe, Halloween motifs. We got ghosts, witches, cats, tombstones, spiderwebs, poison skulls, bats, and more. Pumpkin damasks, diamonds, and tickling stripes in colors of orange, cream, black, and gray. So make sure to bring the Halloween spirit to life with Midnight Hauntings.
Oh, ghost. Next up, I want to highlight our pillowcase kits. These are very fresh, fun, and so simple. As you can see the little tagline right there. With these, we have a ton available on our website. We have some that are in stock right now. We also have some that are still to come. These are all very beginner friendly. They are very fun and very easy to do. We have a huge selection of these and more to come. So you can make sure to go dream big with our pillowcase kits.
Next, we got a hot pre-order. This is Sunny Flowers quilt kit. This is going like crazy. Everyone's buying it. These kits are scheduled to ship in December and January of 2026. They are $109.96 each. They are featuring some sunflowers in the middle, as well as Hoffman's Waterfall Bali Pops in the background. So make sure to pre-order the Sunny Flowers kit before they've all sprouted.
Next, I want to highlight our 1-yard cuts. These are all little 1-yard pieces that we hand cut for you. So normal yardage are like $12.96, $13.96, $14.96. We have these listed for $9.96. So you do get to save a bit of money doing that. They are already pre-folded, pre-cut. No need for a cutting table. You're ready to just grab them and go. That being said, if you order multiple, they are gonna be sold individually. So you're not, if you order 3, for example, you're not gonna get a full 3-yard continuous cut. It's gonna be 3 of the 1-yard cuts. But that being said, we have so many options, so many to choose from. We update this all the time. Like, we're probably making some right now being said. So if you want to check out any of our 1-yard cuts, make sure to go buzz on over to our website to check out our 1-yard cuts.
All right, last thing we have to talk about this week is the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week to read on this week. And this week we have Melissa Feldhaus 4424, and she says, are the mystery sew-alongs coming back? And we know this has been a question that everyone's been asking. They've been curious, where are the mystery sew-alongs? And we are here to announce, yes, they are coming back. We are working currently on a fall mystery project. We're still working on it. It's still being worked on, but it will be here. So keep your eyes peeled. Make sure to head over to the Facebook group, the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. A link will be down in the description. This Facebook group is the first place that will hear any news about the mystery sew-along. So make sure to go check that. But yes, they are coming back. Expect a fall project, but we are still working on it. So just keep your eyes peeled. Also make sure to leave a comment and you might be featured in Comment of the Week.
And that's gonna do it this week. I wanna thank you all so much for coming and watching. Thank you for always keeping up with all of our videos. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button. You can hit that subscribe with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. As he just said, if you wanna get featured in next week's episode, you can drop your comments down below. We love to read those, love to get feedback from y'all, and as you see, get featured in some of these videos. All of our socials will also be linked down below, so if you wanna go follow us on all of our platforms, by all means. But with that being said, that's gonna be it. Thank you all so much for watching. See y'all next week.